Welcome to this step-by-step guide on booking a yacht in Sint Maarten. If you're new to yacht rentals, this video will walk you through the entire process, focusing on an easy-to-use booking platform to make your experience as smooth as possible. Starting with the basics, we'll navigate through the website, selecting our destination and dates. Once on the platform, enter Sint Maarten as the location to view available yachts and select the rental period. This allows you to see options with different sizes, capacities, and features. When browsing options, you'll find brief details about each yacht's amenities, including cabins, deck features, and water activities. Next, click on a yacht that meets your needs for a more detailed view. This page will break down specifications such as sleeping arrangements, additional onboard amenities, and if there's an option to hire a crew. You'll also see user reviews, which give insight into other travelers' experiences. One of the most important sections to check is pricing. The total cost will vary based on the season, the yacht size, and your rental duration. Some listings may offer discounts for longer bookings, so it's worth comparing. To move forward, you'll need to create an account or sign in. This allows you to save selections, finalize bookings, and securely process payments. If you're ready to book, go to checkout, where you'll review all booking details one last time. Enter any promo codes for additional discounts and securely process your payment. A quick tip: look for additional features such as onboard catering or water sports equipment, which can make your yacht experience more memorable. At this point, you're ready to complete your reservation and receive confirmation by email. If you're ready to book your yacht in Sint Maarten, follow the link in my description and start planning your unforgettable experience. Don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more travel tips.